Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and I know what the picture today isn't as good because last week I wrecked my phone while we were doing some media blasting, and that's given me a good reason to get a new phone from Verizon. Anyhow, this home is down in Iowa. It was built in '95, and it hasn't been stained for a few years, as you can well see. Normally there's a little more stain left at the upper part of the logs, but there's very little left on the soffit, and there's hardly any left over on the porch too. So the owner's gonna help us out and strip this so that it can dry out nice before we have to stain it. And then they're also going to probably put boron on it. But we've got the big wide fascia board that's over a foot thick. I think it's 14 inches. And there's, let's look closely at the caulking here. This side here faces south, and because of that, I think we got most of the failure here, which is unfortunate because this is the area where it needs it the most. We've got a wide, almost 3-foot overhang on the rest of the home, so the corners and gable ends are gonna be our main focus for doing more caulking. And then they actually built this home on the old foundation, and instead of having it built to fit the foundation, they cantilevered the floor system a foot on this side and the other side. Oh, you want to go swimming? No. Anyhow, it's fallen under the deferred maintenance program since the husband passed away last year, and we're here to help her get caught up on that starburst or sunburst pattern up there needs a little work in the one area, but I think they're going to take care of that. Thank goodness that there's a large overhang on the gable ends here also. Let's check out this. This caulking is a much better shape because it faces north, and it doesn't get the extreme sunlight as the other end. It's amazing how much better this side looks. So it's mainly the south side of the home that we need to address, and this side over here, of course, with the porch is in real good shape. So that doesn't have to be done with caulking or chinking, at least. So the center log there holds up the floor joist, and that doesn't go out as far as a lot of them do. So we'll check the top of that log and make sure it's okay. But the decking is gonna all be replaced with the maintenance-free deck, and we won't have to. They won't have to worry about that. So anyhow, that's about the end of my inspection, and I'll get a new camera this next week, so the next video looks a little bit sharper, shall we say. Thanks for watching.
So it's like everything all at once, and I'm like, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, look at you.